In many states, sufficient evidence of domestic violence triggers a rebuttable presumption against awarding custody to the parent responsible for the violence. In Niemann v. Niemann, the North Dakota Supreme Court considered whether evidence of violence that doesn't raise the presumption may still affect custody. When Lyle Niemann and Heidi Wolf divorced, Wolf received custody of their 2 children. Both Niemann and Wolf remarried. After several years, Niemann and Wolf agreed that their daughter would move in with Niemann. A year later, Niemann moved to obtain custody of their son, alleging that domestic violence in Wolf's home constituted a material change in circumstances warranting a custody modification. The parties stipulated to the change in their daughter's custody. At an evidentiary hearing, the daughter testified about 2 incidents supporting the domestic violence allegations. In the first incident, Wolf's husband yelled and swore at Wolf in front of the children and then wrecked the house after Wolf locked her keys in the car. In the second incident, Wolf's husband came home drunk, yelled, swore, and pushed Wolf. The daughter told a school social worker about both incidents, triggering an inconclusive social services investigation. A court-appointed custody investigator recommended that the son's custody be transferred to Niemann. Wolf testified that her husband yelled and swore when angry, but she denied any violence. The trial court found no credible domestic violence and no pattern of domestic violence and denied Niemann's motion. Niemann appealed to the North Dakota Supreme Court.